Today I'm going to show you how to make Christmas tree biscuits. For the biscuits you will need 275 grams of plain flour, 100 grams of butter cubed and at room temperature, 100 grams of caster sugar, 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. To your flour add your sugar and give it a mix until well combined. Then add your butter and with the tips of your fingertips mix into the flour until it resembles breadcrumbs. Then add your vanilla extract and your egg and mix until well combined and you have a nice dough. Then you want to roll out your dough on a pre-floured work surface until it's about 1 centimetre thick. And then using a Christmas tree cutter, you just want to cut out your biscuits. And then pop this in a preheated oven at gas mark 4, 180 degrees or 160 fan assisted for 12 to 15 minutes or until the sides of the biscuits start to golden. And then to decorate your biscuits you will need 200 grams of icing sugar, 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk and 2 to 3 drops of green food colouring. You'll also need some stars, little chocolate beans or sprinkles, anything that you can find that you can kind of decorate the tree with, ideally stars because you put them at the top. To your icing sugar add 2 to 3 drops of food colouring and then add a little bit of the milk. Give it a really good mix and then keep adding milk until you have a thick paste. And then once your icing is ready, you just want to cover the tops of your biscuits with your green icing. And then just decorate with your sprinkles or your stars or whatever you have to decorate. Just decorate while the icing is still wet. And then pop your biscuits to one side to allow the icing to set. This should take about 15 to 20 minutes. And there you have it. That's how you make Christmas tree biscuits.